Plumbing is a fundamental and indispensable trade that plays a crucial role in maintaining the functionality of our homes, businesses, and communities. While the rise of artificial intelligence, AI, and automation has transformed various industries, plumbing remains a field where the human touch and expertise are difficult to replicate.
Recent analysis from investment firm Goldman Sachs looked at the global impact and found AI could replace 300 million full-time jobs, including positions in the legal and engineering fields.
In this exploration, we delve into the intricacies of plumbing and examine the reasons why plumbers can't be easily replaced by AI. AI is not here yet when it comes to the complexity of plumbing systems. Plumbing systems are intricate networks of pipes, valves, fixtures, and appliances that require a deep understanding of fluid dynamics and system interactions. A plumber's expertise goes beyond merely fixing leaks. They must diagnose complex issues such as water pressure problems, drainage inefficiencies, and potential cross-contamination risks.
Pipe, and when water freezes, it expands by about 9% when it changes its state from water to ice.
Yep.
But that's not enough to make most pipes burst.
What, the ice isn't?
No, it's the pressure that expansion of water has caused downstream. So if this grows by 9%, it's now going to compress this little bit of water that's in here and can build up that pressure inside here as high as 25,000 psi.
What?
AI, while capable of processing vast amounts of data, might struggle to grasp the nuances of these dynamic systems and make informed decisions based on real-time observations. Consider a scenario where a homeowner complains about low water pressure. A plumber would need to assess the entire plumbing system, identify the root cause, whether it's a clog, a faulty pressure regulator, or a problem with the water supply, and then implement a solution. The ability to analyze and troubleshoot such multifaceted problems requires a combination of technical knowledge and hands-on experience that AI currently lacks. Adaptability to varied environments. Plumbers often work in diverse environments, from residential homes to commercial buildings, each presenting unique challenges. AI systems, however advanced, may struggle to adapt to the unpredictable conditions and constraints of these settings. The ability to navigate tight spaces, work with different materials, and address the idiosyncrasies of various plumbing setups demands a level of adaptability that is inherently human. Plumbing issues are rarely textbook cases. Each situation presents its own set of challenges that demand creative problem solving. Plumbers must think critically, analyze symptoms, and determine the most effective solution, often in real time. AI, while proficient in predefined tasks and data analysis, might struggle when faced with novel or unexpected situations that require intuitive problem-solving skills. Plumbing is not just about fixing pipes. It's also about communicating effectively with clients. Plumbers need to understand the customer's concerns, explain complex issues in layman's terms, and provide recommendations for preventive maintenance. Establishing trust and rapport with clients is a crucial aspect of the job that relies on interpersonal skills and emotional intelligence areas where AI still has limitations. Example, imagine a scenario where a homeowner is facing repeated drain clogs. The plumber not only needs to address the immediate issue, but also educate the homeowner on proper disposal practices and recommend regular maintenance. This requires effective communication and the ability to empathize with the client's concerns, qualities that are inherently human and challenging for AI to replicate convincingly. Plumbers often find themselves in situations where ethical considerations come into play. For instance, they may discover code violations or outdated systems that pose safety risks. In such cases, plumbers need to make informed decisions about whether to prioritize immediate repairs, recommend comprehensive upgrades, or report potential hazards to the relevant authorities. These decisions involve a blend of technical knowledge, ethical reasoning, and a sense of responsibility that goes beyond the capabilities of AI.
Now, this just illustrates that building codes and practices can vary greatly from state to state, and especially between regions. And I don't know all the reasons for this, but I do know that you ordinarily won't go far wrong by using the procedures and products that are common in your area.
Example, consider a plumber discovering that a property's water heater is outdated and poses a safety risk. The plumber must decide whether to prioritize replacing the water heater immediately, or if necessary, shut off the unit to mitigate potential dangers. This decision-making process involves weighing safety concerns, client preferences, and adherence to regulatory standards, an intricate interplay that requires human judgment and ethical reasoning.
With my hot water heater.
7 plumbers all quickly discover the leak and fix it with a simple turn of the wrench.
You don't need a new water heater.
This technician didn't even charge us a service fee. Great work, guys.
Plumbing emergencies can arise at any time, requiring swift and decisive action. Burst pipes, sewage backups, or gas leaks demand immediate attention, and plumbers must handle these situations under pressure. The ability to remain calm, assess the severity of the issue, and implement effective solutions in high-stakes scenarios is a human strength that AI currently lacks. In conclusion, plumbing is a multifaceted trade that extends beyond the realm of AI capabilities. The complexity of plumbing systems, the need for adaptability in varied environments, hands-on skills, creative problem-solving, effective communication, ethical considerations, and crisis response all contribute to the irreplaceability of plumbers. While AI continues to advance and automate various tasks, the unique combination of technical expertise, human intuition, and interpersonal skills makes plumbing a profession that stands resilient against full automation. Plumbers play a vital role in ensuring the functionality and safety of our infrastructure, and their craft embodies a blend of knowledge, experience, and human touch that remains unparalleled in the world of artificial intelligence.